1200 was the dragon train that I didn't record. Silly me. Let's go. Look at this. We still got 4 games remaining. Let's go. 1490 plus 120. Can we do more on the other spins?
Yeah, let's hit that train again.
Let's do more. So that's like 745. We're gonna hit it right quick. This is the hubby actually winning. Weird, right? 745, right there. Do it. Oh yeah, they slide. They nudge. They nudge, I forgot they nudge. Okay, we got 3 more free games. Let's go. Oh, or 2 more, 1 more of those. Nudge. Oh, 2 again. You can always re-trigger. Alright, and I didn't start this because... Come on. Do it. Yes.
Yes.
With a mini.
With a mini.
With a mini. Whew, I held my breath on that. I'm tired now.
I did too. I was sitting here going, I saw it go right twice.
Oh my goodness. Alright, now let's get a train to boot. It's only 6, so I could get a whole bunch. Oh, there we go. There's some more of those. Oh, no. Come on. 1 more. 1. There you go. 1 more. 1 more. Por favor. Oh, come on. Let's go. There you go. Come on. Oh, it doesn't like that first spin. Let's go right here. Yeah, okay. Every 2, I'm good. Oh, a first spin. Come on. Oh, good one. 1 more. 1 more. There we go. Okay. 3 spins. You got to get it. Let's go. For 11,900. Come on. Come on. Oh. That's okay. That is... Holy smokes. This is what happens before a live. So everybody knows. This is how lives work. Or before and after. Bam. Bam. There we go. Bow, 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 bow. I can push the button now because I'm done with spins. It's just, here, I'll do the wife. Kermit the Frog here. Oh, you gotta go up. You gotta go up. There it is. That's Slotty Paco with me, hanging out for 2361. Bam. Alright, so that's what I had left in it when I hit that last handy. So here's the backups. We got 5 spins. Hopefully more. Come on, let's go. So, backups on some machines are okay. Let's make this one okay. Do it. Yes! And that's why you do backups. Right there. Now we need a train up in here. Did I recorded the train. I don't know. Okay, we got 6, so we should get like 3 more. Okay, 1. Come on, 1. Yes, there we go. A 2-fer. And 1. I'm all jacked up after that last one. Let's go. Come on. Still waiting to get that up there. It's really big up there. Come on, 1. Let's go. Well, whatever. You know what? I got my money back that I put in it. Not even counting the handy. Right? Yes, I did.
Yep, you did.
I'm up 10 bucks.
10 bucks.
I'm up 10 bucks. And back up to the backup. Oh, 1 more. I know, I'm up 30 bucks. Not counting the handy. Okay, boom. That's a lot of backups. All right, I'll see y'all on a live really soon, I'm pretty sure. All right, just got paid out, put 200 in. Here we are again. Let's go. Get a choo-choo. I didn't record the last choo-choo, come on. So we just need a choo-choo train. Oh, come on, one train. All right, just one more, one. Oh, whew, we got some good numbers. Okay, okay. I'm not gonna show the top because every time I show the top, I don't get anything. Come on, one more, smack it. Oh. Something like that. Apparently I can only win on the $10 bet. I tried the 20, that's why I was down to 74. 440. That's like a 420 bonus right there. Ah, bam. And all right, back up number one. Do it. Oh, 2 of them. We need 3. Number 2. I don't know. Right out of 10, that one hits, right? One more for good luck. Okay. One more for good luck. Okay, one more for good luck. Oh, okay, those are not good luck. All right. If something happens, Captain.